Good morning. Let's roll out our feet. Feet are an important part of our whole mechanism here. So it makes a big difference to your spine, to your hips, knees, all of that good stuff. So I have a yoga tune-up ball, AKA a fascia ball. And if you don't have one of those, go grab a tennis ball or a lacrosse ball, and I'll meet you back here. All right, this is going to be, let's see, let's get a little bit closer. I'm gonna pull this forward and angle it down at the floor. So you're not gonna see my face, but you'll see my feet. So what I'm gonna do is take this and roll through the balls of the foot. So even your pinky toe has a ball under it. We don't usually talk about that one per se as a ball of the foot, but it is. And we want to start moving through here until your toes start to naturally curl over the ball. And if your feet are a little tight, the toes won't naturally curl over. They will once they get a little looser. Now we'll move to the back of the foot. There's this little pocket in front of the heel bone. You put a little pressure down and then start to roll here. Oh, don't forget to breathe with this. Now we'll go through the whole foot. So the sole from that little pocket in front of the heel up to the balls of the foot. And we're gonna go on the big arch side all the way through to the little arch side. So you also have an arch on the other side of your foot, but it's not pronounced, so we don't talk about it as an arch per se. But through back to the arch side. And of course, you are welcome to hang out in one position of the foot or another if it's a little tight. And my favorite part, take your toes, the first three of them will kind of circle around the ball. We're gonna walk, step forward with this other foot. Peel the heel up, peel through the sole, and then step back. So these first three toes are on the ball, the sole of the foot is on the floor. One more time. And let that go. All right, repeat all of that on the second foot and then enjoy walking around and see if you can feel a greater connection from your feet to your spine and your feet to your hips. See you next time.